let's study dimensional formula. This comes under the chapter units and measurement, and it is very important. Basically, in physics we study about physical quantities, and these physical quantities, they come under two branches. One is fundamental quantities and another is derived quantities. See, physics, basically we are trying to, let us say an object, a car is moving at a speed. We are interested in knowing the speed. We are interested in knowing the distance traveled. We are interested in knowing the time taken. What is the acceleration? All these are physical quantities which are measurable, which we are seeing on ground. It is a phenomenon. So under fundamental quantities, we have 7 basic fundamental quantities. So the first one is mass. It is denoted by capital M, and the SI unit is kg. Second is length, denoted by capital L, and unit is meter. Third one is time, denoted by small t. This small t, L, M, these are symbols, and SI unit is seconds. Fourth one is current. It is denoted by capital A, and the unit is ampere. Fifth one is temperature. It is denoted by capital T, and its unit is Kelvin. Sixth one is amount of substance, denoted by small m. Mole is the unit. And seventh one is brightness of light, luminous intensity. It is denoted by IV, and the unit is candela, CD. Now when I say fundamental quantities, means you take any physical quantities, when you keep on breaking it down, finally you will arrive at these quantities only. Okay, so these are the base units, these are the base quantities. The second category is derived quantities. Take an example, speed. Speed is distance by time. It is nothing but some length by some time, so it is L by t. So Lt power minus 1, written in square brackets. This is called dimensional formula. Okay, and this is derived. Speed is derived from two basic fundamental quantities, length and time. Similarly, if you take acceleration, it is velocity by time. Velocity is already a derived quantity, so it is Lt power minus 1. So Lt power minus 1 by t, it is Lt power minus 2. Third example, you can take force is equal to mass into acceleration. This is the formula. The mass is denoted by m. Acceleration you already derived, so it is Lt power minus 2. So mlt power minus 2 is the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is basically writing a physical quantity in terms of these fundamental quantities raised to a power or an exponent. Here f is a physical quantity. It is written in terms of m, L, t, these are fundamental quantities, and each is raised to some exponent, m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 2. It can be sometimes m power 0 also. If mass is not there, you will say that m power 0. So this is the definition of and application of dimensional formula. We will see some examples, then you will understand better.